Question number 24 of random questions asked of an immigration lawyer. This is a question from New Jersey. And the question is, can I submit I-130 without beneficiary passport information? They do not have the passport information on hand at this moment. And it goes on, I'm a U.S. citizen trying to file I-130 for my parents abroad. On the I-130 asking for travel document, which is the passport. My parents do not have the passport at this time. Can I submit I-130 without their passport information? Please advise. Well, an I-130 is an immigrant petition. So basically, an immigrant petition is something that a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident can file on behalf of certain family members. In this case, a U.S. citizen filing on behalf of a parent, asking for the government to approve that petition so that the parents can come to the United States. Long process, but it can be done. And that immigrant petition is called an I-130. Well, the purpose of the I-130 is to establish the family relationship. So an I-130 does not necessarily require passport information because it requires you to establish that the person that you're filing for is actually your parent. So you would have to show a birth certificate, of course, showing your parents, maybe the marriage certificate between the two parents that they were married when you were born. I mean, if you're filing for a mother, that is usually easier, but if you're filing for a father and you may have been born out of wedlock, there may not be information on your birth certificate that your father is your father. But that aside, passport information for them is not necessarily a requirement. It's helpful, but it's not a requirement. When they will need a passport is when the I-130, that immigrant petition, after many, many months is approved, and now they want to come to the United States and they have to file an immigrant petition. An immigrant visa, sorry. So they have to get a visa in order to come to the United States. That's when they will need a passport because they will have to fill out an application asking to come to the United States, and the consulate abroad will need a passport to put the visa in. So right now, you can file the I-130 immigrant petition, don't need their passport information, but they will need a passport sometime throughout this process. Sometime soon, hopefully for you. Hopefully the I-130 doesn't take that long, but they should start working on getting their passport.